Standing by.
Cardon in the slow-ass Atlas. Move up that way. Well. You. Aim for the head.
Roger.
Normal rounds. You're gonna soften that fire moth up. Blam. Yeah, you're gonna go over this way.
Moving out.
Oh. Ultra Ball. You hear me? I said Ultra Ball.
Coordinates received.
Okay. Yeah. Don't know why there's... Cherokee, welcome in. So I suspect you've been lurking for a bit.
Firing.
No joy.
Nothing.
I'm going to come over here and shoot you in the back. Yeah, shoot you in the back.
Lay down your weapon.
Look. Yay! What? Doesn't... Oh, Blood Asp.
Acknowledged.
You know what? Multi-target. Hit Fox is going to be target A. What are you doing? I'm glad those PPCs missed. Oh. Right, you're gonna target protect for everybody else in the turn. Make everybody else's lives a little bit easier. And yeah. Okay. Well. Turbo. We're gonna go over here, because I need technically you to be a spotter at the moment. I may regret... If I go like that... Yeah, we're gonna aim at you. And we're gonna say aim for the head. In order to even have a chance of hitting this guy right now, I need to fucking precision strike.
No luck. Ready for orders.
We will let loose on this cougar. Get treats.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Oh yes. Get more treats. Could just take out all of the Jade Falcon forces. I mean, that's entirely plausible too.
Rolling. Coordinates received. Got it, Commander.
Oh, there goes your leg.
I think I hit something.
LRMs, Plasma PPC, LRMs. What do you got? Oh yeah, you have the metric shit ton of LRMs. So we're gonna leave you where you're at. But it is a mech that I can sell.
Command interface initiated.
We're just gonna reload the save file. And hopefully... And if it does it again, I'm gonna try a different mission. And... I would like you to fire upon him.
Yup.
Phantom.
Heads out.
Just so that you can actually have some evasion pips. I was expecting more. Well, I'm gonna get at least one light mech out of the deal.
Heading out.
Probably actually have Sharmat go and pick up the VIP. That will probably be...
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor.
Copy that. Roger. I'm there. Confirmed. Coordinates received.
Apparently... And... If I turn off a medium pulse? Medium... Yeah, well... Hold on. There we go. I'll take the salamander piece. I'll take the elemental piece. I'll take the 2 cougar pieces.
Yes, Commander.
Freedom?
Aye.
Oh.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
You need to sprint. And enter turn.
Waiting for orders.
Doctor? Hold on. There's a spot where I can have a... Yeah, you know what? We're gonna go right there. Okay. Well, let's continue on our way.
Coordinates received.
Oh, enemy contact. I'm okay with that. Gotta go over there. Okay. I mean, there's an easier way. I think I'm once again a nuisance to Mother Nature. Lighting fucking the forest on fire again.
I'm going.
Hey.
Crap. That hit hard.
That did
Confirm.
damage to my armor. That's not cool.
Looks like I'll need a new target.
Well, made short work of that battle mech.
Waiting for orders. I read you, Commander. Moving out.
Blank.
I copy. Roger that, Commander.
Affirmative.
Consider it done.
Everybody advance. That
You
means the
betcha.
shooting is going to start soon.
Copy that, Commander.
Order acknowledged.
On the move.
That. Sprint as well. You're going to go up this way.
Understood. Moving fast.
And we're also going to stay down. Always headshots.
Here we go.
Oh.
Waiting for orders. Location confirmed.
You know what? Go for it. Might be able to hit something.
Standing by.
Come into play.
I'm receiving you. Move order received.
Let's see. Actually, no. I won't regret. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay. Okay, lasers. Oh yeah, Artemis works better when you're looking directly at them.
Acknowledged.
I don't want that mech to be standing there anymore. Please make it go away. Oh, I bring lots of big guns. In fact, I'm bringing 12 big guns as we speak. Yeah.
The work you put in on that thrust controls really paid off. Steering is buttery smooth.
Wanted to go fight some Jade Falcons and salvage some clan tech. Because... I mean...
Firing. Inflicted some nasty on that some bitch.
That's right.
What are your orders, Skipper?
I'm walking here.
I'm there.
Do 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 do.
We have the asset, Commander.
Oh. Well, that was anticlimactic. Oh, yeah, she did. Hmm. It's building. Then my troops die. I don't dig that at all. Eh? There we go. That looks right. Load. Name.
Onward.
Oh wow, you can fucking go.
Move into position.
Affirmative, Commander.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
There we go. Okay, so they have at least one. Oh, it's a fire moth. Oh. Guy. He's just a little guy. I thought you had the... Oh, no, you don't have the... Fleet of Foot, or whatever the fuck it's called. You do. Okay, so... Hey. And... I could. I don't know why I would ever garrison any of my like battle armor troops in a building. Because like, if the enemy blows up, I mean, you kind of an upgrade. What do you have? Machine gun. I want that fat salvage. I should be able to get at least one mech out of this fight. I mean, the most... I might get a heavy mech. Most likely it'll be a medium. I at least did a little bit. Ooh, Firemouth's coming to play? Ooh, Firemouth's coming.
I hope we can salvage that.
Well, that took care of that, I guess. I've made a little bit of money. Nothing, like, significant, but a little bit. Okay, so I'll take the Fire Moth. That'll give me 3 Fire Moth pieces. Shady. You get to play with the new ride. I need to get some more mech warriors.
Mech warriors, prepare for combat.
Pardon me. A and B.
No problem. I've got enough guns for everyone.
Ugh, it's a bunch of light mechs.
Ready to rock.
80.
10-4.
You know what? Yeah.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
We're gonna go and screen our Timberwolf friend. My good girl. Yes, you're my good girl. You got your 2 treats.
Commander?
Hold up. Something's up. Oh. Well,
How sweet it is to be a god.
isn't that just fun?
Standing by. I'm there.
Haha. Hey. Not cool. Not cool at all.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Confirmed.
Moving to position.
On my way.
Aim.
Acknowledged.
Thank you for dropping that shout out, Trekkie.
Copy that, Commander.
Move order received.
Think? That's actually everyone.
Roger. Venting heat.
So we should be leaving combat now. Yeah.
Targets down.
Thank you.
This is getting tiresome.
Well,
Good to go.
that is one less enemy to deal with. Better chance of hitting with all of the things. Bye-bye.
It's go time. Enemy eliminated.
With the long distance laser fire. And your B with everything else.
Firing on multiple enemies.
It was worth a shot. Eh? Oh. Good sensor lock. You know what? I'll just kind of Hail Mary some shots out to you.
Engaging target.
Yeah, like that. You. You're gonna aim for center of mass.
Roger.
Because there's, like, fat chance that you're gonna...
Target missed.
Hopefully there's, like, at least a medium mech coming up. Let's go with Hydra first. In the Dire Wolf. You're gonna go fan.
Light damage. Holding firm.
Dare you! We're gonna go over here. Oh, lame.
Hey! Stand still when I'm attacking you!
Yes, Commander.
Jedi. You. Who's next? Sherman.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Got it.
Rolling.
I just, something tells me they're having a very bad day.
Omnipotent, omniscient, sovereign, immutable.
Oh,
There is no escape, no intervention can work in this place.
I don't think that mech pilot is having a very good time at the moment. Sir? I would like you also to go and fire upon them. You have ammunition, and it needs to be placed upon their mech. Nope. Headshots. You should say thank you to Shirky. Two, 56, 56. Damn. You know what?
It is not too late for my mercy. Farewell, sweet Nerevar.
Whoopsie doodle. Hey there, Kate. How are you doing? I think. We'll go with this. We'll aim at you, because you have... Yeah, you have battle armor on you.
Critical hit, Commander.
Nice. So,
Affirmative.
fire in places where I did not
On my way.
use Inferno stuff.
Acknowledged, Commander.
Acknowledged.
Location confirmed.
Yeah. Turn off the hyper assault gauss. I don't need to fire that. Too bad I don't have multi-targeting on her. I'm gonna take shield stance though. And you know what? You're gonna drop... Where the Burke?
Don't need to tell me twice.
Coordinates received. Position confirmed.
I'm rolling.
You know what? Good enough. Turn off one of the ear. You know what? No. Turn off one of the UACs. Go for it. Turn off an LRM-20.
10-4.
What? We're also going to advance. Ooh, okay. Much
Come.
the play. Then I can kind of move everybody else into position for the ambush that's sure to come.